Welcome to the first episode of a series where I will be restoring this beautiful Mark V GTI to its former glory. In this introduction video, I will start by changing the cam follower. Why, you may ask? Well, on the Mark V, it's a good storyteller on how well was the car maintained. I removed the clamp following with the two clips on the back and the connector from the mass airflow sensor. Now it's just about wiggling out the cover, which in this case someone decided to glue to the engine. After disconnecting the high pressure fuel pump, you can see me running the engine for around 30 seconds just to relieve some pressure from the lines themselves. I proceeded with bleeding and removing the banjo bolt to get better access to the bolt behind. At this point, there are just 3 Torx 30 volts that are holding the pump. And this right here is exactly why I wanted to check the cam follower first. You can clearly see the damage on the right. This tells me a couple of things. A, nobody checked this for at least 40 or 50,000 kilometers, and B, somebody may have been lying about their service history. After finishing, it's just about putting everything back as it was. The next thing I did was replace the diverter valve because the car had some vacuum issues related to it. Lift up the car. Remove the wheel. Since it was a pretty simple job and I wasn't able to film it, I will leave you with the footage of my head getting in the way of the wheel arch. As for the next episode, I will be taking on some more interesting stuff like finding out why the car doesn't go up to temperature. I will be doing an oil change, timing belt and much more. For the end, let me know if you enjoyed the video in the comments. If you did, hit the subscribe button.